Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about operations on matrices. In that, we discussed addition of matrices, difference of matrices after that multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Today class, we discussed one more operation, that is multiplication of matrices. Fourth operation, that is multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Very important. Multiplication of matrices. Now addition of matrices, after that subtraction of a matrices, after that multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. ಮೂರು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಸಹ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಹ ಸೇಮ್, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅನದರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೆಲ್, ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ I will consider two matrices in general. If A is equals to AIC, be a matrix of order M by N. If A is equals to AIC, be a matrix of order M by N, and B is equals to BJK, be a matrix of order N by N. Here ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we have to know the number of columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the next matrix. Then only multiplication of two matrices is possible or defined. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, m rows ಇದೆ, n ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, p rows. So number of columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the second matrix. So the multiplication of two matrices is possible or defined. If A is equals to A is be a matrix of order n by n, and B is equals to B is be a matrix of order n by p, then the multiplication of AB is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. Number of columns of A is equals to the number of rows of B. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If A is equals to, for example, if A is equals to be a matrix of order A11, A12, so on up to A1n, or A1n. In general, we take another example. In general, if A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A2. Here, what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 2 rows ಇದೆ, 2 columns. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು matrix ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Here, B is equals to then 2, so A 1 1 A2. Here what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 1. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ. We have to find the multiplication of these two matrices. ಎರಡು matrix ನ multiplication ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Before going to multiply these two matrices, first observe the orders. Here what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 2. Here what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 1. M by n. Here it is M by n by n. Number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So multiplication of two matrices is possible. Multiplication of two matrices is possible. So therefore AB is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Here B matrix is equal to A11, A22. Multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Row reduces into columns. Row reduces into columns. Each element of the first row is multiplied with the each column of next matrix with addition of corresponding elements. With addition of corresponding elements. ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ನೀವು each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. So here which is equals to A11 into A11 into A11 plus A12 into A21 into A21. First row is completed. Next second row each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. Here A21 into A2, A21 into A11 plus A22 into A21, A22 into A2. Here what we get? A. What is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 1. It is 2 by 1. Here observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 by 2. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 by 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 2 by 1. After multiplication of a matrix, we get a matrix of order 2 by 1. That is, if a matrix A is of order m by n and matrix B is of order n by 3, then the product of these two matrices, then AB is a matrix of order. Then AB is a matrix of order m by AB is a matrix of order m by n ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ n by p ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ m by p ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Suppose number of rows of the first matrix is number of columns of the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows of the next matrix ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, then multiplication of two matrix is not defined or not possible. For example, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Here what is the order of this matrix? It is 3 by 1. 3 rows in a 1 column. Then B is equals to 3 rows in a 1 column. Here 2, 4, 3. Here what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 2. Here AB is not defined. AB is not defined. Or AB is not possible. Why? Because the number of columns of the first matrix is not equal to the number of rows of the next matrix. So again, AB is not possible or not defined. Okay, on the basis of multiplication of a matrix, we discuss some facts or some factors on multiplication of two matrices. Next, some facts or factors on multiplication of a matrices. That is, how the multiplication of matrices possible or exist, or how the multiplication of two matrices is not possible or not different. Here, first one. If AB is defined, but BA is not defined. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ multiplication of two matrices define ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ AB ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ multiplication of two matrices ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. AB ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ BA ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, because the number of columns of B is not equal to the number of rows of A ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. But AB and BA both are defined when both A and B are square matrix. AB and BA ಎರಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ both A and B are square matrix ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ AB and BA are equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is, in general ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ if A be a matrix of order M by N and B be a matrix of order K by L, then AB and BA both are defined. Then AB and BA both are defined if M is equals to K and N is equals to then if N is equals to K and N is equals to L. For example, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equals to 0, 1, 2, 1. Here, what is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 2. Here, what is the order of this matrix? It is also 2 by 2. It is also 2 by 2. A matrix in order N by N, B matrix in order K by L. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ AB ಅಂಡ್ BA ಎರಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ both A and B are square matrix ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, both A and B square matrix ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ AB and BA ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ both AB and BA ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. And also we have to know third one, AB is not equal to B. Commutative law is not true for multiplication of two matrices, but commutative law is true in special cases of multiplication of matrices when both A and B are diagonal matrices. Both A and B are diagonal. Always AB is not equal to B. Commutative law is not possible. But in special cases, if A and B both are diagonal matrices, then AB is equals to BA ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Commutative law is true for multiplication of a matrix when both A and B are diagonal matrices. ಎರಡು ಸಹ diagonal matrices ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ AB is equals to BA true ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, I will prove this AB is equals to BA. How? If A is equals to diagonal matrices ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, both A and B diagonal matrices ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Diagonal matrices consider here 1, 0, 0, 2. Diagonal matrix ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, non diagonal elements 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Diagonal matrix after B is equals to here 1, 0, 0, 1. Order is same here. These two are diagonal factors, right? Here AB is equal to 1. AB is equal to 1, 0, 0. B matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Here multiply. Row reduces into columns. Row reduces into columns. It means ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with addition of corresponding elements, right? Here 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0 is 0. First column completed. Same row in the next column multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with addition of corresponding elements. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is also 0. Next, first row completed. Next, second row in the each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with addition of corresponding elements. Here 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is also 0. First column completed. Next, same row in the second column multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here 0 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2. What we get? 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. AB is defined and AB is equal to, we get this matrix. Then find B. BA na find. Here BA is equal to matrix B ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1, 0, 0, 1. Matrix A ಏನಿದೆ? Matrix A is 1, 0, 0. Same procedure. Multiplication of two matrices. ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. So here which is equals to 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0 is 0. First column complete. Next, same row in the second column multiply. 1 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 2 is 0. Next, first row completed. Next, second row ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Next, first column completed. Second column 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 2 is, so what we get? 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 it is 0. 2 plus 0 is, here observe point. This is what? B. 1, 0, 0. Here also 1, 0, 0. AB is equal to B. What we have to do? AB is equal to B. When AB is equal to BA, both A and B are diagonal matrices. This is very, very important. A and B ಎರಡು ಸಹ diagonal matrices ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ commutative law prove ಆಗುತ್ತೆ for multiplication of two matrices. A and B diagonal matrices ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB is not equal to BA ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So commutative law is not. After that, you already know that fifth factor AB is equal to 0. If AB is equal to 0, then either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. In general, either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. But in matrices, the multiplication of two non-zero matrices is equals to the zero matrix. The multiplication of two non-zero matrices is equals to the zero matrix. That is, if A is equals to 0, 0, that is minus 1, 2, and B is equals to it is 3, 5, 0, 0. 3 5 0 in general ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು in general. Here AB is equals to what? AB is equals to what? Here 0 minus 1 0 2. B is equals to what? It is 3 5 0 0, which is equals to multiply by same row reduces into columns. ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. 0 into 3 is 0 plus minus 1 into 0 is 0. First column complete. Next same row ಇಂದ next column ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 0 into 5 it is 0. Minus 1 into 0 it is 0. First row completed. Next second row ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply. 0 into 3 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. Next first column completed, second column multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 0 into 5 it is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. What we get? It is equals to 0 0 0 0. AB is equals to 0. ಎರಡು ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಜೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ AB is equals to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ either A is equals to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ or B is equals to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But in matrices the multiplication of two non-zero matrices, you observe ಮಾಡಿ, A ಸಹ non-zero matrices, B ಸಹ non-zero matrices. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 0 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the multiplication of two non-zero matrices is a zero matrix. It is a zero matrix. Next properties of multiplication of a matrix. Some properties are studied. Here first one, associative property. Associative property. Associative property. For any three matrices, for any three matrices A, B and C. Associative law for multiplication of matrices ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? AB of C is equals to A of BC. AB of C is equals to A of BC when both sides the equality are defined. When both sides equality are defined. Next second one, distributive property or distributive law. Distributive law. Same for any three matrices A, B, C. Distributive law ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Here first one, A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC. Second one, A of B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. This is distributive law. Here both sides the equality are defined. Both sides equality defined ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. After A of B plus C is equals to AB plus AC ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, identity. Existence of multiplicative identity. Already you know that one is called the multiplicative identity because one ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 ಗೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ನೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಗೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 ನೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಗೆ 1 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 ನೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ 1 is called the multiplicative identity for all numbers. For all numbers. In the same way, in matrices, for every square matrix, for every square matrix, for every square, they exist identity matrix, there exists an identity matrix of same order, there exists an identity matrix of same order, that is AI is equals to IA is equals to A and matrix identity matrix of same order of A in the multiplied matrix. Yes, you can. IA is so again I is called the multiplicative identity for all matrices. For all matrices, I is called the multiplicative identity of all matrices. On the basis of this property, we discuss some problems from your NCERT textbook. In NCERT textbook, some problems on the basis of this property study. Take down problems. Okay, now example 16 NCERT textbook. A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 4 matrices. We have to find A of BC, after that AB of C. After that, we have to show that AB of C is equals to A of BC. AB of C is equals to A of BC. Associate law multiplication through AB of C. Then first AB and find out. After that, C should be multiplied. In the first BC and find out. After that, A should be multiplied. Both side equality exists defined identity of the mark. AB of C is equals to A of BC. Right? The first AB is equals to matrix A is 1 1 minus 1 2 0 3 3 minus 1 is 2. B matrix is 1 0 minus 1 3 2 4. First step, multiplication is possible or not possible. Here, what is the order of this matrix? This 3 by 3. What is the order of this matrix? This 3 by 3. Here, observe the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So, multiplication of these two matrices is possible. A is possible. After multiplication, we get a matrix of order 3 by 3. Multiplication defined after multiplication after we see the number of matrices order 3 by 2. So which is equals to multiply row reduces into a column. Row reduces into a column. It means ಮೊದಲನೇ row ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. Multiply 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 is 0. Plus 0. Plus minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. First column completed. Next same row in the next column के multiply करो. Here 1 into 3 is 3 plus addition. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. First row is complete. First row complete. Next second row तಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Same. Each column of the next matrix multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 into 0 0. 3 into minus 1 is minus 1. First column completed. Next same row in the second column के multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Here 2 into 3 is 6. 0 into 2 is 0. 3 into 4 is 4. Second column completed. So second row is also completed. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಇಂದ ಈಚ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1 into 0 is 0 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 first column completed. Next same row inda second column ge multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 3 is 9 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. So this is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 3 plus 2 5 5 minus 4 it is 1. It is 1. Next 2 plus 0 2 2 minus 3 is minus 1 6 plus 12 is 18. Next 3 minus 2 1 9 minus 9 plus 8 17 17 minus 2 15. This is what? 8. We get 8. What is the order of this matrix? It's 3 by 2. 6 of 3 by 2. Right? Next. ಈ AB ಗೆ ನಾನು C ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆಯಲು AB ಗೆ ನಾನು C ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಬರೆಯಲು AB of C AB of C is equal to AB of C. AB ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? It is 2 1 minus 1 18 1 15. C matrix is C matrix 1 2 3 minus 4 is 2 2 0 minus 2 1 minus 2. Say, observe. What is the order of this matrix? It is 3 by 2. What is the order of this matrix? It is 2 by 4. Number of rows of the first matrix is equal to the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix are there. So multiplication is defined. Same procedure. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲನೇದನ್ನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Each column of the next matrix ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with the addition of corresponding elements. Here 2 into 1 it is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. First column completed. Next same row in the next column ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 0 is 0. Second column completed. Next same row in the third column ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Third column problem ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Example problem ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERT ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? A B C 4 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. After we have to calculate AC BC A plus B of C. Also verify that A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So first ಗೆ ನಾನು A plus B ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here A plus B is equals to matrix A ಏನಿದೆ is 0 6 7 minus 6 0 8 7 minus 8 0 plus matrix B ಏನಿದೆ is 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. Addition of two matrices ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. Here 0 plus 0 it is 0. 6 plus 1 it is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So minus 6 minus 6 plus 1 it is minus 5. Next 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Next 7 plus 1 is 8. Minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. This is what? A plus B. Next ನಮಗೆ A plus B of C ಬೇಕು. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು C ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what we get? A plus B of C is equal to A plus B matrix is 0 7 8 minus 1 0 10. After 8 minus 6 0 into matrix C ಏನಿದೆ it is 2 minus 2 is 3. Same multiplication is possible because the number of columns of the first matrix is equals to the number of rows of the second matrix. So multiply by 0 into 2 is 0 plus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. 8 into 3 is plus 24. Next, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. 0 into 2 it is 0. 10 into 3 is plus 0 plus 30. Next, 8 into 2 16 plus minus 2 into minus 6 into minus 2 it is 12 plus 3 into 0 is 0. This is what A plus B of C. So which is equals to minus 40 plus 24 is 10. Minus 10 plus 30 is 20. This is also 30. This is what A plus B of C. 16 plus 12 is, so 16 plus 12 estimate is 28. A plus B of C, 28. Next, AC minus AC is equal to matrix A is 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. C matrix is 2, minus 2, 3. So which is equals to multiply by 0 into 2 is 0, 6 into 12, 2, minus 2, 7 into 3, plus 21. Next, minus 6 into 2 is minus 1, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 8 into 3 is 24. Next, 7 into 2 is 40, 8 into 2 plus 16, 0 into 3 is 0, which is equals to minus 4 plus 21 is 9. Next, minus 4 plus 24 is 12. 14 plus 16 is 30. This is what? AC. Next coming a BC. So BC find out. So BC is equal to matrix B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. C matrix is 2, minus 2, 3. So which is equals to 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into 3, plus 3. Next, 1 into 2, 2, 0 into minus 2, 0, 2 into 3, 6. 6. Next, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 2, minus 4, 0 into 3 is 0. This is 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2. This is what? This. You have called this as equation first. And this as equation 2. And this as equation. You are adding 2 and 3. Add and add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is AC plus BC is equal to AC matrix is 9, 12, after that is 30 plus BC matrix is 1, 8 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 2. Add and add which is equals to 9 plus 1 it is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. This is what? AC plus BC. How is the equation? So here from 1 and 2, what we get? A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC. A plus B of C is equals to AC plus BC. A plus B of C is 10, 20, 28. AC plus BC is 10, 20, 28. So A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC. Next problem. The next 18 problem told the example problem. Very important. Maximum times board exam 5 marks. A is equal to matrix. We have to show that AQ minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ A ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ AQ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ AQ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is equal to A into is equal to matrix A ಏನು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು A ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 4 so which is equals to same procedure row reduces into a column multiply ಮಾಡಿ 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6 3 into 4 is 12 first column completed second column multiply ಮಾಡಿ 1 into 2 is 2 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 3 into 2 is 6 next 1 into 3 is 3 2 into 1 is 2 3 into 1 is 3 first row completed next second row each column multiply ಮಾಡೋದು same procedure here 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus 2 into 3 sorry minus 6 1 into 4 is 4 first column completed second column minus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 1 into 2 is 2 next 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 1 into 1 is 1 first row completed next second third row 4 into 1 4 2 into 3 is 6 1 into 4 is 4 next 4 into 2 is 8 2 into 2 is minus 4 1 into 2 is 2 next 4 into 3 12 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 1 is 1 multiplication completed add here A square is equal to A square is equal to 1 plus 2 is 7 7 plus 1 is 19 next 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 plus 6 is 4 next 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 3 is 8 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 plus 4 is 1 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12 next 9 minus 2 is 7 7 plus 1 8 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 2 14 next 8 minus 4 4 4 plus 2 is 6 12 plus 12 14 plus 1 is 15 this is what A square ನಮಗೆ A cube ಬೇಕು again A square ಗೆ ನಾವು A ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so A cube is equal to A square into A square into A so A square which is equal to matrix A square ಬಂದಿದೆ 19 4 is 8 1 12 8 next 14 6 15 into A in the multiply A matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 minus 2 1 4 2 1 same procedure row reduces into columns ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೋ ತಗೋಬೇಕು each column ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 19 into 1 is 19 next 4 into 3 is 12 8 into 4 30 first column complete second column multiply 19 into 2 is 38 4 into 2 minus 8 8 into 2 is 16 next 19 into 3 is 57 4 into 1 is 4 8 into 1 is 8 next first row completed. Next second row is multiply for 1 into 1 is 1, 12 into 3 it is 36. Next 8 into 4 32. First column completed. Next second column multiply 1 into 2 is 2, 12 into 2 is 24. Next 8 into 2 is 16. Next 1 into 3 is 3, 12 into 1 12, 8 into 1 plus 8. Next 14 into 1 is 14, 6 into 3 18, 15 into 4 40 plus 24 is 18, 60 plus 60. Next 14 into 3 12 plus 30 52. Next 6 into 1 is 6, 15 into 1 is second column multiply 14 into 2 28, 6 into 2 is minus 1, 15 into 2 is 30. Next third column multiply 14 into 2 is 52, 12 plus 30 52. Okay, next 14 plus 3 is 42, 6 into 1 is 6, 15 into 1 is 15. Next add material here which is equals to 19 plus 12 plus 13 is 63, right? 63. Next 38 minus 8 plus 16 is 46. Next 57 plus 4 plus 8 is 69. Next 1 plus 36 plus 30 is 69 plus 1 70, 69. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next 2 minus 24 plus 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 minus 24, 18 minus 24 is minus 6. 3 plus 12, 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 3 20. Next 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 10, 92. 92. Next 28 plus 30, 58, 58 minus 10, 48, 48 minus 2 is 46. Next 42 plus 6 is 48, 48 plus 10, 58, 58 plus 3, 58 plus 2 is 62. Right? Check it. After that, we have to substitute a cube minus 23a after 45. LHS is equals to a cube minus 23a minus 45. Substitute all the values. A cube is 63, 46, 69, 69 is minus 6, 23. After that 92, 46, 80 minus 23 into a. Minus 23 into a is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 to 1, 4 to 1, 23a. After that minus 40 I minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And then the brackets of order. Ishara simplify model. So what we get, which is equal to इधर as it is आगे बढ़ते हैं changes पड़ा is 63, 46, next 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 92, 46, 63 minus 23 का multiply 23 का multiply 23 into 1 is 23 23 into 2 it is 6 plus 40 46 minus 6 there minus 23 into sorry minus 23 into minus 23 into 2 ನೋಡಿ 23 का ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 46 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 23 into 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 3 2s are 16 plus 9 69 next 3 into 2 3 2s are 16 plus 9 is 69 next 23 into 2 2 into 2 40 40 plus 6 46 here minus is there ನಾನು 23 ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 23 into 1 is 23 next 23 into 4 4 3s are 12 plus 4 2s are 80 80 plus 12 it is 90 next 2 into 3 6 plus 2 into 2 4 46 next 1 into 23 is 20 next 40 का multiply so minus 40 into 1 it is 40 0 0 here 0 40 0 0 0 40 okay note 63 minus 23 minus 40 so 63 minus 63 it is 0 next 46 minus 46 minus 0 it is 0 69 minus 69 it is 0 next 69 minus 69 it is 0 here minus 6 minus into minus plus so here plus 46 आಗುತ್ತೆ plus 46 minus 6 it is 40 40 minus 40 it is 0 next 23 minus 23 is 0 next 92 minus 92 is 0 46 minus 46 0 63 minus 23 minus 40 so minus 63 आಗುತ್ತೆ 63 minus 63 is 0 so which is equals to what 0 so therefore what we prove a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equals to 0 we have to prove this